When I was just starting out as an agent, I got a call from a guy. I didn't know him, but he was one of our clients and he wanted to buy a life insurance policy. I was about to make $1,000 off this life insurance policy and he was shocked when I told him that I wouldn't sell it to him. As a young insurance salesperson, I was eager to earn a commission. I had a little baby at home and it was time to earn some money. So when this guy called in and he said he wanted to buy a life insurance policy, he didn't say he wanted to look into it, he wanted to buy it. It was money on the table. And I told him, I don't think it's a good idea. See, I believe the purpose of life insurance is to protect your family against financial loss if something happens to you. So to say it another way, if something were to happen to you unexpectedly and you were to pass away, would your family be okay financially to keep going? Or would it be a financial hit for them? Man, I really miss having that person's income. Or man, all of a sudden our life dramatically changed because of your passing. Well, in this guy's case, I found out he was in his mid-60s and he had $3 million sitting in the bank in cash. I asked him a simple question. I said, sir, if something were to happen to you unexpectedly, heaven forbid something happened, would your family be okay financially? Sure, they would be sad, but would they be okay financially? And he said, I guess I never thought about that. That's a good point. Yeah, they would be okay financially. I said, sir, then congratulations. You don't need to buy a life insurance policy because your family's gonna be okay. Now that's been one of my favorite calls I've had with people as they've called in over the past several years. When someone calls and they say, I like a life policy, and I convince them that they actually don't need a life policy. And maybe that's you. If you have enough money in the bank, you're set for retirement, you're good to go, and your family would not be in a bad financial place if something were to happen to you, you no longer need life insurance. See, at Trumble, we believe in giving you good information. I hope this is helpful for you when you're deciding if you need or if you don't need life insurance for you and your family.